Hi, I'm Gigi Ranches, the Programs Development Manager of Water Flow Foundation Incorporated. The main goal of our organization is to provide water security for every community. So most of our programs are actually water-related. And one of our projects is the Reef to Reef program, wherein we clean coastal areas and also conduct underwater and reef cleanups.
Hi everybody, my name is Alex C. I'm one half of Mermaid Missions, and we are a non-profit organization made up of volunteers, and our goal is to clean up the ocean one reef at a time.
Hi, I'm Jay Calanga Jr. I am Managing Partner, Owner of Saltitude Dive and Beach Resort.
One of our programs is also Reef to Reef, because we believe that for us to secure the water supply of our communities, we need to tackle it. The solutions should be holistic.
We've been doing cleanups for the past 3 years already. Aside pa dun sa Mermaid Missions lang na group, we have this Water Flow Foundation also.
Oh, yeah. Super okay kasi mas maganda yung meron tayong kasamang other organizations at the same time. May influence din natin yung mga new people na new experience lang nila sa reef cleanup. So like ngayon mga kasama tayo no first time lang nag-clean up ngayon. So maganda yung nakaka-motivate tayo sa kanila. Masaya and productive also.
We started this organization just to bring awareness to people about the plastic pollution, and we started I think back in 2017.
For an organized event like this, eto na yung first time na sumali ako.
Of course, yung na-observe ko dito is, yun nga, may mga garbages na kailangan nating pulutin along the shoreline. So, yun yung ginawa namin today to get all those garbages na nakita namin para maging malinis po yung shoreline.
Masaya yung experience, very fulfilling. Kasi nakakapaglinis, in a way natutulungan yung mga nandito sa area.
So for this afternoon, as part of our celebration of World Oceans Day, we are partnering with Mermaid Missions and Saltitude. So ngayong hapon, nandito tayo sa Mabini, Batangas, sa Saltitude Dive Resort, kung saan together with approximately 30 volunteers from different backgrounds, mga iba't ibang specialties, nagsama-sama into one mission, which is yung plastic-free or marine-free oceans.
Now that we're back to our regular cleanups, we'll be holding one almost every month, and we would like to ask you guys to follow us on social media. It's at Mermaid Missions on Facebook and Instagram, and we hope to see you on our next dive.
So we are inviting everyone to please follow our social media pages para pa sa mga upcoming projects ng Water Flow Foundation. So we have upcoming water development projects sa different parts of the country. We have one in Kawayan, Negros Occidental, another project in Mindoro, and also 2 more projects in Zambales. So if you want to join our outreach to community outreach projects, you can message us in our Facebook page.
Ngayon, napapansin natin na pakunti ng pakunti yung nakukuhang basura, which is good, ano? Hindi dahil nag-clean up tayo, konti yung makukuha natin. Mas maganda, pag konti ng makuhang basura, mas maganda. And hopefully, one day, makita natin na wala tayong mapupulot kahit isang basura. Because what we're doing is working.
So, ayan, nasa likod ko ngayon yung mga nakuha natin during the cleanup. So, may ibang members ng team na nag-free dive, meron namang nag-scuba dive, and yung mga others that are non-divers nag-conduct ng coastal cleanup dito sa ating community. So, we were able to gather approximately 63 kilos of trash, mga 16 sacks.
Thank you dun sa mga kasama natin. Mermaid Mission, thank you nakipag-tie up sila sa water flow. And naging successful man, marami tayong nakuhang kalat. So sana hindi ito yung last. Sana madami pang maging joint projects yung Mermaid Mission and yung water flow. Thank you kay Sir Jake, Saltitude.